Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the comparison of AWeber versus BeeHiiv. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. AWeber provides robust automation tools that allow users to create automated email sequences based on subscriber behavior, such as signups and engagement. The platform offers a wide variety of customizable, mobile responsive email templates to help users create visually appealing emails easily. Users can segment their audience and manage subscribers with detailed insights into engagement and demographics. AWeber includes comprehensive reporting tools to track key metrics like open rates, click rates, and conversions. It integrates seamlessly with numerous third-party applications, including WordPress, Shopify, and various social media platforms. On the other hand, BeeHiiv is designed primarily for newsletter creators, offering features tailored for building and managing subscriber lists. Unique to BeeHiiv, users can monetize their newsletters through subscription options, allowing for paid memberships. It offers an easy-to-use editor for creating engaging content, along with tools for managing posts and scheduling. BeeHiiv provides detailed analytics to help users understand subscriber behavior, engagement, and growth trends. While BeeHiiv has fewer integrations than AWeber, it still connects with essential tools like payment processors and social media. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.